to my channel, House of AB Design. I'm AB and I'm so excited that you decided to click that thumbnail. Today's video is long overdue, about a couple of months actually. I hosted a balloon party for my stepmother for her milestone 70th birthday party and decided on a balloon party for her. It turned out wonderfully. The weather held up even though it was really hot out that day. Everything held up until we were able to do all of the, the party, those festivities, and then we had to bring the party inside toward the late afternoon, evening hours. But everything worked out. It turned out amazing. In true AB fashion, I actually did a DIY, but I didn't show it on camera. I had to hurry up and build a flower stand that we used for the flowers that were placed, for the balloon party. And I actually built a Pinterest inspired trellis, I think that's what you call it, that was attached to the balloon stand and placed outdoors as well. All of the guests, we invited, family and some of her closest friends to enjoy in the festivities. And it was also a surprise. So it was good to see her really not know anything about it and just kind of walk into all of the things that we did for her. So also I want to take the time out to thank some of you who have been who have subscribed over the summer, my new subscribers. Thank you guys, because I haven't posted anything since, I think, any long form content anyway, since really spring. And my summer has really been very busy. And toward the end of the summer, I kind of was dealing with some personal issues, dealing with the loss of, a very dear friend of mine. And kind of got a bit, was going through a bit of sadness as it relates to that, because that was sudden. I wasn't really expecting that. And so it made me kind of rethink how I was presenting myself in this journey called life. And so I just kind of took some time out for myself, did a quick reset, if you will, took a little vacation for myself, and just kind of made a lot of the things that I was doing, intentional, and not putting so much stress or pressure on myself, just to, make some content and put it out there. So again, I apologize for that, but life happens. And so again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy this video. I started by making this flower stand from some leftover wood that I had from another project. I painted it white using some outdoor porch and floor paint. I then freehanded this Etsy-inspired sign that I eventually placed on an easel beside the flower bar. I embellished these IKEA mason jars to fit the theme using fake leaves and jute rope. I made this Pinterest-inspired trellis to hang over the flower bar to add visual interest. This 70 flower sign was made with Dollar Tree flowers, a grass roll, and placed on a large wooden frame that I got from Hobby Lobby. I used it as a backdrop to cover the TV behind the area where I placed the birthday cake. I got the idea for this love letter station from Raven Elise's YouTube channel. This additional activity provided guests the opportunity to write the guest of honor heartfelt messages. The letters were placed in an envelope, sealed with candle wax stamps, and placed in a gift box so that she could read them at a later date. The flowers for the flower bar were purchased the morning of the event from the nearby Costco. I was really surprised. They had a very good variety and they were not too expensive. They actually came in much lower than the actual florists and wholesalers nearby, and we had plenty left over. Then it was time for arranging the flower bar. In addition to flowers, I had scissors, ribbon, miniature vases, and water bottles to make it easier for each guest to embellish their floral arrangements. With everything all set, we were ready for the guest of honor. The guest of honor got the first pick of the flowers from the flower bar. My outdoor dining table was used as a staging area for the guests to put together their floral arrangements. Once everyone finished their flower arrangements, they stood for a photo op with the guest of honor. Each guest was able to take their flower arrangement with them as a party favor, along with fantastic memories.
Wanna say happy birthday to you. Okay, close your eyes and make a wish. Think about it and blow out your candles. Close your eyes and make a wish. Think about it and blow out your candles. Oh. Happy birthday to you.
And that brings us to the end of this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.